How to auto scroll on YouTube Shorts. I am going to tell you how to auto scroll in YouTube Shorts. Or is it actually possible? YouTube Shorts doesn't have a built-in auto scroll feature, but there are workarounds. If you're using Chrome, extensions like Auto YouTube Shorts Scroller or YouTube Shorts Auto Scroll can automatically move to the next short once one ends. Just install them from the Chrome Web Store and enable the feature, and let them do the scrolling. For Android users, apps like Auto Scroll Short Video work similarly by detecting when a short finishes and swiping up for you. These apps might require accessibility permissions, but once set up, you can enjoy continuously scrolling without lifting a finger. At the moment, YouTube hasn't added an official auto scroll option, but with these tools, you can still get a seamless viewing experience. Keep an eye for updates as YouTube could introduce this feature in the future.